Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This Sushi case. Let me give you the overall sizes first. For the unit's entire length, they are about like 71 inches long. And the width of the unit is about like 15.5 inches wide. And the overall height, they are about like 12.5 inches tall. As we can see, the unit design curved the front tops, and they come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trays inside of the units. So let's turn around to see the back of the units. We can see the back of the unit. They're having a sliding glass doors, and they're having the tray right here. And we can take a measurements. This tray about like 12.5 inches long and almost like 10.5 inches wide. And the depth is about like 2 inches. It have 5 units inside, coming with this Sushi case. And for these entries, it's about like 6 inches tall and 24 inches wide. And when we're looking the other side of the units, we can see the controllers and also have a switchers and the power connections. This one using the standard 110 plugs. And also the units on the top, they're having LED light strips off it. And when we look at the side of the units, when looking inside of the units, we can see they do having the ETL sanitation stickers, cut sheets, and also the diagram of the compressor, how it works. This will be all demonstration information about the products. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.